Welcome to the in-depth auto repair channel. Today we will learn about engine core sensor errors on the Ford Ranger pickup truck, a fairly common problem, but if not handled properly which can seriously affect engine performance. The crankshaft sensor, also known as the crankshaft position sensor, is one of the most important sensors on modern engines. It is responsible for recording the position and rotation speed of the crankshaft, then sends signals to the ECU engine controller. From there, the ECU will adjust factors such as ignition timing and fuel injection to ensure the engine operates efficiently. When the engine core sensor has a problem, the vehicle may have symptoms such as difficulty starting, engine operation unstable, or even unable to start. On a Ford Ranger, a common sign is the check engine light is on continuously, and when connecting the diagnostic machine, an error code like P0335, crankshaft position sensor error, will appear. To handle this error, we need to follow these steps. First, use the diagnostic machine. Connect the machine to the vehicle's OBD2 port and check the error code. In this case, error code P0335 will be read. Second, check the sensor. Check the wire connecting the sensor to see if it is broken, burned, or loose. If the wiring is fine, continue removing the sensor for a physical inspection. Third, measure the sensor signal. Use an electric meter to check the resistance value of the sensor. If the value is outside the recommended range, the sensor needs to be replaced. Fourth, replace the sensor. After determining the damaged sensor, replace it with a genuine sensor to ensure durability and stability. Finally, check again. After replacing the sensor, clear the error code with a diagnostic tool and restart the vehicle. Observe to see if the error reappears. Handling core sensor errors, although not too complicated, requires meticulousness and accuracy in each step. If you are not confident or lack specialized equipment, you should go to reputable repair centers for support. And don't forget, regular maintenance will help detect damage early, avoiding unnecessary repair costs. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the information useful, click like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other useful car repair tips. See you again in the next videos. Worth having.